Hello and welcome to Is That Noise a Word? America's favorite game show. I'm Felix. I will be your host this evening. We've got two guests returning in the Chop Tank, Randy and our newest competitor, Stephanie. So let's jump right in. First noise of the game, Finn and Checkers. Randy!
I'm gonna say noise, Felix.
You win! You come out of the Chop Tank! Alright! Quite a match. We've got Randy at 6,000, Stephanie at 0, and the next noise, Pedicurious. Stephanie! I'm sorry. You're gonna go into the Chop Tank! Please join us next week on Is That Noise a Word? For the exciting conclusion of the match between Randy and Stephanie.